All right, in this problem, we're going to be asked to simplify a rational expression. Now, this is one of those ones that's kind of more of a pain because you have unlike denominators. But here it's really not too bad. We're just dealing with a couple numbers, 4 and 8. So my least common denominator between those two would be 8. Well, how do I get this 4 in the denominator to be 8? Well, I'd have to multiply by 2, and if I multiply by 2 in the denominator, I have to multiply by 2 in the numerator. So let's go ahead and set that up with the multiplication. We have 2 times 2x minus 1, and that's over 8. And we have minus x plus 3 over 8. I didn't have to do anything to the right-hand side because I already have my LCD of 8 there. Now here's a common error that students will make. Once they distribute, they have the 4x minus 2. We distribute the 2 to both of those. That's no big deal. 2, not 1. But what we forget about is this negative right here. And that negative needs to go to both the x and our 3. So what I end up with is negative x minus 3. That's my whole numerator. Now let's simplify that whole numerator. I'm going to have 4x and negative x gives me 3x. Negative 2 and negative 3 gives me negative 5. And all of that will be put over 8 as my common denominator. And there's my final answer. So a common mistake would end up with this being positive 3 and you having positive 1 here as your answer. So if that happened to you, it's because you forgot to distribute this negative. And a lot of you will do that on a quiz or a test. So make sure that you are being very, very mindful of your sign right here. Another misconception to start the problem would be some students think, oh, I'll just cross multiply these. Because in 8.5 we do a lot of cross multiplication. Or you might just have that thought right when we go into these. So make sure you're not cross-multiplying. Make sure you're looking at what the operation is. Oh, I'm just going to simplify and combine my like terms until I get to my final answer. America.